If you're someone who's tired of getting sick again and again, if you're fed up with taking pills and still not feeling better, if you truly want to feel alive, energized, and healthy again, then make sure to listen to this video till the very end. Because what you're about to hear isn't just information, it could change your life. This isn't about magic. This is about truth. And the truth is, the root of most diseases lies in your gut. And if you heal your gut, many of your problems will simply disappear. Have you ever noticed why you feel tired all day long? Why minor health issues are now just a part of your daily life? When your stomach isn't happy, your mind isn't either. The body's strength, energy, and balance all begin from one place, your digestive system. But we ignore it constantly. We think, it's just a little gas, just some bloating, just constipation. But those little problems grow silently. A sluggish gut means poor sleep. An unhealthy gut leads to a foggy mind. And when your body doesn't cooperate, even your spirit begins to lose hope. Today, people look for healing in all the wrong places, in pills, in doctors, in Google. But the real healing is already within you. Think about it. When your digestion works properly, every part of your body gets the nourishment it needs. When your gut feels light, your mind feels sharp. And when your gut is at peace, your entire being starts to feel balanced and calm. Healing your gut isn't difficult, but it does take sincerity. It takes discipline. And most importantly, it takes love. Love for yourself. Just give yourself 10 days. Only 10 days. Eat clean. Eat simple. Drink plenty of water. Eat at the right time. Move your body a little, some yoga, a little walk. And above all, be grateful with every bite. These small steps can bring massive changes to your life. Inside your gut lies the power to make your skin glow, to strengthen your hair, to eliminate joint pain, to release the stress and fatigue that's been weighing you down. This is not just physical cleansing, it's mental and emotional healing too. When the core of the body, the gut, is clean and balanced, life itself begins to flow more harmoniously. Remember, your body is not some machine that just needs fixing with medicines. It is a temple, a center of energy. And the gateway to that temple, your digestive system, if it's out of balance, everything in life feels out of place. But the moment you start healing it, the course of your life begins to change. Treat these 10 days as an opportunity, a fresh start. Wake up every morning with the intention, I love my body. I respect my gut. I know true healing begins from within. And slowly, you'll begin to see the difference in your energy, your skin, your mood, your sleep. Everything will begin to align. You don't need a miracle. You are the miracle. Every mindful bite you take, every sip of water you drink with gratitude, that is your true medicine. Not something from the outside, but something that starts working from the inside. So begin today. Right now, take control of your life again. Don't treat illness as an outside enemy. It's simply a reflection of the imbalances within. And when you heal the root, your gut, every branch, every leaf, every flower of your life begins to bloom. Just give yourself 10 days and watch how every morning your energy, your confidence, and your smile begin to walk beside you. Because real healing doesn't come from pills. It comes from awareness. And the deepest root of your suffering is in your gut. Now, the decision to heal is yours to make.